Advanced Wireless Communications proudly serves over 25,000 retail locations across the U.S. and Canada. AWC specializes in wireless solutions that improve customer satisfaction, team productivity, and operational efficiencies. 90% of retailers will offer curbside pickup by 2021. It's now more important than ever to make the brief time spent with a customer a positive experience. Customer loyalty increases when they receive customer service like no other, so impress them by offering a stress-free pickup with an efficient curbside pickup solution. Check out the 3 key solutions you can install into your curbside pickup area. Know when a guest arrives by installing designated parking stalls with their own weatherproof help buttons. When the help button is pushed, a message is broadcasted to your curbside team.
Guest pickup install 1.
The call can be received through a 2-way radio, phone, smartphone app, or other device. Another option is to install a 2-way call box at the curbside parking stalls, which allows your team to directly communicate with the customer to confirm order details. A quick pickup process is sure to increase customer satisfaction. You can also install a drive-up sensor to the designated parking area. When the guest parks, a message is automatically broadcasted so your curbside team can deliver prompt service. Our curbside pickup solutions will improve bottom-line results, customer service, team productivity, and operational efficiencies. Ready to take your curbside pickup to the next level? Visit advancedwireless.com to find a solution that is right for you.